Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, so it's no secret, you know, lately with YouTube, we have been on the BLACKLIST. Lately, crazy brand could spell. I guess summer brand has been coming out a little bit. I'm getting a little iffy with what I'm saying, you know what I mean? It's a famous saying, you can't tame a fucking wild pony, boys. But if you want to help this situation, please give a thumbs up and comment down below. Every sort of like kind of support like that really does help get us out the zone, and I promise at one point I will get a little bit better with my whole act here, you know? And maybe we won't be BLA, don't spell it again. Maybe we won't have that, so thank you guys so much. This video is sponsored by my favorite people, the people that keep rocking with us, rosegoldandblack.com. There's a link down below, boys. Now, you guys always see me wearing this. You guys sometimes see me wearing another piece, that's my favorite. I lost it the other day, it sucked. However, we got my next setup right here, as y'all can see. They sell bracelets real cool with the details like that. They also have real nice watches on that. Super sleek, man. Like, even just like, I've been wearing tank tops all summer long. Sometimes this doesn't fly with it. It's a little too much for a simple looking outfit. You know, that one looks real nice right there. They sell rings, they sell bracelets, they sell necklaces, a bunch of cool stuff that you guys could check out. They also have an end of financial year sale right now, which I have no idea what that means. However, you're still gonna get 25% off because of it. Only by using that link down below. And with a bonus, if you do purchase something from their website, you can also get an extra percent of 10 off. That's a weird way to say it. By using the code NameBran. So that's like 35% off. That's real sick. But I mean, you guys gotta act fast, bro. Their stuff has been selling out. They've been telling me that a lot. Once again, the watches are something that I've been wearing a lot lately. They got real cool packaging. This one right here holds this necklace. I actually haven't worn this one in a little while. This one's the gold one, or the rose gold one. I really like that a lot. I've been wearing the black one a lot, or the silver one. I can't remember. Anyway, rosegoldandblack.com. There is a link down below. Go check out what they have, man. It adds to your outfit of whatever you're trying to wear. It's super low key. Dig them a lot. And they're also still shipping through all the stuff that's going on in the world right now, so you will get your stuff. Don't worry about that. rosegoldandblack.com. I've been rocking with them. I will keep rocking with them. And honestly, boys, we're about to put on this piece right now. This is a new one we're about to wear for the next few months until I lose another one, I guess. Oh, real nice. Look at this. It looks like lava rocks, or like a moon rock or something. Can't go wrong. Alright, man, so I've been really excited to do this video for a long time now. What we're actually unboxing today is real grills that I bought for $70. Now, a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, how'd you do it? Well, the way I did it is I searched on eBay for a cool video idea. I found a cool video idea and I bought it. But I know that's not your question. You're like, nah, how can you get real grills for $70? Here's how I did it. I'll tell you in a second. Actually, I'll tell you now. But I think when people think of real grills, they're not something that's just metal or something like that. They're like real silver, or at least gold. You know what I mean? Or at least silver and then gold. What I actually found on eBay is a silver grill, full out silver grill that you can get for $70, top and bottom. There is a catch to it, obviously. Shit, where did I fucking put those? Found it. So, you know, there is a catch to it, obviously. Obviously, they're not going to be fitted like my grills here. These ones I actually got properly done and stuff like that. What they actually are is the same grills you probably recognize that you can buy for $10 to $20. These things right here, which I thought was hilarious. And, you know, I get at times, or I get the times right now, a lot of people are like not really on their budget, or like some people might have a lot of money and some people might have a little bit of money. So, I'm gonna come here and tell you guys, you know, for this video, if you're trying to ball on the budget or whatever like that, you can do it, hopefully, once we unbox these things. They're straight up silver, bro. Be here for the boys. I'm excited to see this. Let's get into the unboxing. Alrighty, so we have the package right here. I don't know, if you guys want to find them, just search up real solid 925 silver grills. Do that, whatever. Really so, they come in a regular box. What's this? We don't care about that. Screw off. Bad, bad. Let's check it out, boys. I forgot I got them iced out. Let's go. So this is funny, man. As you guys can see, they literally come in the same packaging as one of these things. They're $70. Obviously, you're paying for the silver. They got diamonds all over them, though, bro. We're gonna have to diamond. They're obviously not real. We're not dumb here, but we still have to diamond test and make sure. I am really curious to see how these look, though, man. Alright, here we go. This is hilarious. So I'll tell you right now, the weight to them is so much different than the others. Like, this is straight up silver, silver, silver. Right there. Those might be the tops. Those are big teeth, bro. I ain't got some shiners on there. I got a little chiclets. I don't got the big chiclets, that's for sure. I'll fix those soon. Oh, no! So we're already missing a diamond right there. Right the best spot, bro. Look at that. Right there. A lot of people will be like, oh, it's not a big deal, man. Like, your white teeth will show through it. No, it's yellow, bro. Or actually the silicone. Anyway, oh yeah, that's another thing. These things, a lot of people are unaware of this, man. This is actually how you fit them in. With silicone, we're gonna go through it all. We're actually gonna see how they look. Get in this bottom pair. Breathe. I just ran to get my dog. Tried to come back like I didn't do anything weird. I did. She ran away from me. Anyway, the next one, boys, we have the bottom teeth right here. I'm not gonna lie, man. These things might sparkle. Nah, they don't. They might sparkle a little bit more than these ones right here. I just gotta clean those. Those are the real ones we have. Comparison, actually. This is the real ones I got. I gotta clean them. I should probably stop smoking with them in, not gonna lie. I don't smoke. I quit it every winter, boys, and I pick it up in the summer. It's all good. It's not good at all, actually. Don't smoke. Yeah, that's how those look. It's like the real, and these are actually sterling silver too, the ones that I have in. That's why I call them real Grillz. Like, that's the distinction I feel like with people is like, are they silver or gold? You know what I mean? That's what makes a real grill, apparently. So this is what's going on. This is cool. I'm really stoked to see them in, boys. There's, I guess, a review of them. They look pretty regular. I'm gonna fit them in my teeth, and I'll tell you guys how to do it. How's that sound? First things first, boys, boil up that water real hot, or warm, or whatever you think, but like, make sure it's hot. Next up, man, we're gonna place a little silicone thing that's a little hard in the water. After a little while, once it's in the water, it's gonna get real flaccid, real smooth, like. Oh, it's hot. Oh, I f that up. Next step is just putting them in the Grillz himself. What is wrong with your lens? What is wrong with your lens? Yeah. Oh, this one's gonna be. It's really boiling water. This isn't supposed to melt. Oh sh. Now take that flaccid little thing you just put in the Grillz himself and put it in your mouth. Hey, like your boyfriend now, huh? Like that? Alright, boys. I couldn't even wait to set back up the camera. I just placed these in my mouth, bro. Like I fitted them and everything, took a little second. My fingers are burning a lot. And I'm pleasantly surprised on how these look. They look really, really good. Like I said, we got the tops right here, full out silver. Place them in. Obviously, they're not gonna look as good as like the real stuff, but you know, for what it is. Pop that. Pop that. Like, look at that. I'm not tripping, right? I talk like an idiot. Like, you might talk like an absolute ass. I don't even think I need to bleep that, because I don't even think YouTube knows what I'm saying. This is gonna be a huge issue, actually. If you guys want to talk us this, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work at all. However, your smile's gonna be real nice. Oh, dang, bro. So there it is. You got the top and bottom, real silver. Maybe you can get used to this. Probably not. Probably take you a long time, bro. I love smiling though with these mouths. This new lips of mine, or new teeth of mine, sorry. Yeah, I'm a smile always. Look at me. I feel nice. I feel so nice right now. I can't get over the lips. But anyway, yeah, boys. That's how they look. Shine test, natural sunlight. They shine alright. You know what I mean? This is so goofy. Anyway, I'm pleasantly surprised. I also screwed this up completely. I let it melt till it was like molten hot. Then I was picking up molten hot plastic in there. So I didn't necessarily do it that proper, at least on these ones. We lost most. We lost some soldiers on that one. For sure, in terms of they're slippery. Let's not get spit everywhere, Brad. Girlfriend's already not that happy with me. What can you do, watch? Anyway. There is the review on the cheapest real Grillz you can get. Diamond test. Forgot about that. Let's diamond test these puppies real quick. We already know, like, we're not dumb, bro. We're not dumb. I'm a little dumb. We're all a little dumb. But, we'll just double check. It's definitely not gonna be real diamonds. Couldn't be. If it is, I'm freaking going. Oh. Gotta look. Oh. They passed the diamond tester. What is this? You gotta love this thing. These are obviously not real. They can't be. Like, we're not, like, come on. It passed the diamond tester. Do I want to even push it and try again? Okay, no, I'm hitting metal now. Anyway, they're silver. That's amazing. So I'm so stoked how these actually look. I think we have a good video off this. Appreciate y'all for watching. We're making the game the greatest of all time. The Past the Diamond Tester. Now I'm like, oh my gosh, we have an amazing title. This is great. That was cool. Appreciate y'all for watching. We're making the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Be loud.